and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Michelle. Very nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So today I'm going to be following up on a video that I just recently did about the different types of face cleansers that are out there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how each one of those cleansers work on your face. So there's going to be, I think, about 4 or 5 different videos. They're not going to be very long videos, but I'm going to show you how the cleansers work on your face. So today I'm going to be using more of a foaming wash, and this one is by Kate Sommerville. And this is the ExfoliKate cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers. This is like my 3rd tube or 4th tube of this one. So I really love this one. And I have more drier combination skin. I'm more in the dry side than I am oily, even though you'll see some spots over here now, and it's just from all the skincare. So I'm kind of like reversing some of that dryness in my face, but I tend to be more drier, mature skin. So let me tell you a little bit about what it says on the back of this wonderful little tube right over here. And it says, reveal softer, smoother skin while gently cleansing away oil, makeup, and surface impurities with this creamy sulfate-free cleanser. Formulated with a duo of AHA, which is hyaluronic acids, and pumpkin, papaya, and pineapple enzymes, this cleanser is designed to improve the benefits exfoliate and maintain a glowing complexion between uses for all skin types. And how you use it AM and PM, use twice a day. Apply a small amount to wet face and neck and massage gently for 30 seconds. Rinse and gently pat dry. For glowing results, use with the exfoliate appropriate for your skin type 1 to 2 times a week. And yes, I do have the lotion the moisturizer, not lotion, from her. So pretty much what this looks like when you take it out of the tube, that is what it looks like. All right, so I have just a bowl here with water and some cloths and stuff, because I thought it would be easier than trying to do this on my phone in my bathroom and then trying to upload it. So all I'm doing is just wetting my face a little bit, you guys. And this is what my face looks like. Now, this right over here is my Malaysia, my hyperpigmentation that I have. And I have over here and over here. This one is getting a little bit better, but that's where I have my hyperpigmentation on my face, or my Malaysia on my face. So now I'm going to take the amount that I had on my hand. And then all I'm going to do is in circles and I take it in batches. So I make sure that I get everything clean. And then I take the rest on my face. So I don't use like a load of it because it does the job. Just going to wet my face a little bit more. Sorry, my fingers. And then yes, I do my eyes last. And you see how it just, as I'm putting more water on it and getting it more, it goes heads up more. And that is about it. So it's very easy to use. But if you see, it does, you know, get a little sudsy, but it's not a foam cleanser. So it's a foaming cleanser, but it's not a foam cleanser. So all I'm going to do, now that I've put it on, I'm going to rinse it off. And that is about it. I'm going to do it one more time because I'm not at my sink. Alright. And then I generally let my face air dry. If you want to dry it, what you should do with a towel is just dab at your face to get it dry. You shouldn't be like, oh, like doing that to your face. You should just dab at your face after you use your skincare products. And voila, my face is clean. So as I said, it does not dry my face out. I don't feel like I have any product still on my face. My face feels nice. It feels I wouldn't say hydrated because I still have to put everything on it, but it's not drying on my face. And that's why I do love this product. Even though everybody gets a little nervous when it says ExfoliKate on it, it's not a harsh product. At least for my skin, it works very, very well with my skin. And like I said, as you can see, I'm not as shiny over there as I was just a few minutes ago. And my face, it feels so nice and soft, and I'm a big fan of this one. So I generally get it whenever I see it on BoxyCharm pop-ups, or I don't think Ipsy has had it, but I think it mostly on the BoxyCharm pop-ups. And when I used to be with FabFitFun, I used to always see this, and I brought a whole bunch of them. So, and this is my last one, so I'm waiting for a pop-up. Come on, BoxyCharm, put the ExfoliKate back in there so I can get it at a reduced price. Woohoo! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing my next one that I'm going to be doing a systolic cleansing gel, and this is a gel one, for you to see what the difference of what the gel cleanser looks like on your face. So I hope you guys remember to give me a thumbs up, share me out, hit that notification bell, also hit that subscribe button down there because I would really love to have new family and friends here. So go ahead and do that, you guys. It's all free. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. I want you guys to stay safe out there, and I will see you on my next video.